That's 16 ounces of our frozen blueberries. 16 ounces of our sliced frozen strawberries. And now we are coming in with 16 ounces of our dark sweet cherries frozen. I'm just gonna kind of get these spread out. Perfect. Ooh, y'all, this already looks so good. My mouth is watering. Now I'm coming in with my cinnamon swirl cake. And this part is just the cake layer. And I am just going to sprinkle this evenly all on top of these beautiful, delicious berries. Ooh, perfect. This is a little slightly different take on one of our classic dump cakes that you know I love and I'm sure you love so much. Now we've got that cinnamon topping, cinnamon sugar with our brown sugar, all this tasty, tasty goodness, and I'm just kind of spreading this out as evenly as I can on top. In fact, I'm even gonna use my hand and just pinch this around a little better. I think we might get a little bit more of an even spread that way. Ooh, I think the cinnamon with the beautiful, delicious berries is gonna be so yummy, y'all. You could use a cookie mix, you could use whatever kind of cake mix you like here, but I think that this is going to be a really fun, homey, and delightful flavor. Now I've got my 2 mini cans of Sprite and I'm just gonna evenly cover all this cake mix and our brown sugar. Perfect. That looks so good. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. All right, y'all. 25 minutes in the oven and she is ready. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Those beautiful berry colors, that delicious cinnamon swirl crust on top. All right, I'm going in, y'all. Get myself some of our berry cinnamon swirl cobbler. Oh, it smells amazing. I am just going to set this down for 1 minute. I've got my extra creamy vanilla ice cream here. I've got my special little ice cream scoop. Thank you, Breyers, for sending me this. I love it. Ooh, and now for the moment of truth. Let me get some of this crust with our berries, a little touch of ice cream to finish the job. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so good. You've definitely got to try this.